Good morning. Slight problem. Looks like someone forgot to record the correct screen, so, if you find whoever did that, we will punish him for sure. It wasn't me, my manager. So just a little recap today. I ended plus 20 points, as you can see right there. We're just going to do a little recap. 18 trades. Volatility was quite high, and by quite high, I mean it was like what it used to be back in December, the month before that, the month after that. Although less so after that. I'm finding that even though 6-point stop loss was pretty good for a day like this, it's just too much of a loss for my brain. And so instead of adjusting the brackets, at least right now, I always say these things and then it's like a couple months later I'm doing the complete opposite. But for right now, instead of switching to a 6-point stop when that might make more sense than a 4-point stop, I'm just going to trade a little bit differently and keep that 4-point stop, because losing too much on each trade just messes with my brain, especially when you're with something as leveraged as NQ. And while I could just switch to the micros, it doesn't really teach me anything to trade on the micros because it's too easy. And the life I want to live is not going to be achieved by $2 a point. And the commissions are way too high on micros for that to make sense. So, this is what I'm saying right now. I'll just change the approach a little bit, and that's what I did here. 4-point stop loss, and I actually would move it in quite a bit. I was just going for little pops, little pullbacks, and also occasionally catching some bigger moves, like right here, 82 to 93. I wish I had it on video, but I don't, again, because my manager, not me, someone else, recorded incorrectly. I run 2 things of OBS at the same time, because I'm recording a blank chart of the Nasdaq on my right monitor, and sometimes I mess that up. But yeah, I'm feeling good. I've returned to the way this used to be, and I probably never should have left, but at the same time, those experiences have solidified how I'm supposed to trade, how disciplined I need to be, in which areas, the possible problems I'll face, and more. Volatility is up quite a bit recently, but it's not going to stay that way forever. So we just have to adjust once it goes back down. All right. Thank you so much to my patrons. There's over 45 live trading episodes only on Patreon. Just a nice way of supporting me. It's not like it'll unlock the secrets to the universe if you give me $4, but I like money. I think it's cool. No pressure though. All right. I love you. Just kidding. Maybe I'm not though. All right. I'll see you tomorrow, I think.